we have covered our operating section. Now a few settings are left out. So let's just click on preference button. General tab is already we have covered, and now let us come into accounts tab. We have come to it in the initial stage, and we have created the books of accounting at the beginning of our usage of this template. Now this is the current book of accounting. Okay, 2022. We cannot create a new books of accounting. So we wanted to know how the system is going to behave. I'm just going to change the system date, and let us see how the system is going to react on that. So I'm just putting the video on pause. Okay, today actually 1st of July 2021, but I changed the date to 1st of April 2022. That means starting of next financial year. Automatically, there is no difference in this. Okay, let us close this window and come back again to the preferences in the account section. See, the system allows us to create books of accounting for the 2023. So, because as per system, we are in 1st of April 2022. Okay, that means financial year 2023. Okay, but I'm not going to create it now because as per our system, it has to indicate the user while he or she is going to create a invoice or create a receipt at the beginning of the new financial year. Okay, so let us see where it is going to happen or not. I'm just closing down this preference window. I'm just going to click on create invoice button. As soon as I click on create invoice button, system gives me a message that you are with a new financial year. Would you like to create and migrate to the new books of accounting? So I'm getting a intimation that data has already entered to a new financial year. So I'm just going to click yes. So it says system has successfully created books of accounting for the year 2023. Okay, this message we got at the beginning of the template while we customizing it. Okay, just click on OK. So the invoice window opened up as normal. So I'm just canceling this window. Let's just check also in the preferences. What is happened over here in accounts tab? Okay, see now the active book is 2023. 2022 is already closed. So that is already taken effect. Okay, I'm just closing down this preference window. I wanted to create an invoice. So let me fill up some data. After that, I will join. Okay, I have filled up the basic data that entered the customer data and one item and removed the print tick mark. So let us click on save. Yes, invoice is successfully saved with the document number DP/2023/1. See, this is DP Road branch, so that has the prefix, and 2023 book is open, so that year is already there and the first serial number. Okay, so it's working in the proper way. Let's just close it. And let's just browse what happens, and we can see that. See, in the 2022, the last invoice number was 15, but in 2023, it has started with 1. So it is starting with 1 in the beginning of the financial year automatically. Okay, fine, that's good. And let's get back to the previous book. I'm just going back to preferences, accounts, and I'm going to change the book. Now 2023 is active. I'm setting it to 2022. Click on set button. Year of accounting is changed to 2022. Click OK. Now again, let us just create one more invoice. See, I'm just getting a warning. Different book of year because I'm already there in April 1st, 2022. That means the financial year is 2023, but I'm with the old book. So this gives me a warning. Okay, so the user can understand that there is a mismatch in the books of accounting. But this is an actual scenario that sometimes we may have to create an invoice with a previous date. So let me just enter one date, 1st of August from DP Road. I'm creating one invoice. Actually, the date is April 1st, 2022. The patient code is 122 and some item has to be added. Quantity is 2. Okay, I'm adding this item. I don't want the print. Accrual date is the current date is taken by the system. I am removing it 1st of August 2021. Okay, here also I don't change it. 2021, and I don't want the print. Just click on save. See, invoice is successfully saved with document number DP. Book of year is 2022, and the invoice number is 16 because that was the continuity of the number. I'm just clicking on OK. Let's just browse it. Let us see the condition. See, the year 2022 was having last invoice as 15, and we migrated into a new financial year. But then again, we switched back to the previous book of accounting and created a new invoice. So that got a continuation that 15, after that 16 is already taken by the system. So this is the way how system is working with the document numbers. So that's all about the document number and books of accounting.